think you remember that. My name is Nikki and she is my sister Mia. Today I'm gonna make an easy and tasty snack. The ingredients are some Hershey's, chocolate Hershey's, and some strawberry Hershey's, and some sugar, and some bread slices. Let us start. Now I'm gonna chop some bread slices. Now I have cut them the pieces. Now I'm gonna add some Hershey's. And add some sugar and mix it. If you don't have enough Hershey's, you can add some more Hershey's. This is the first type, and the second type is the fried bread, and we have added some butter. And now I'm gonna add some strawberry Hershey's for this. After adding the Hershey's, pour some sugar and mix it. Now the bread is ready. Let us taste it. Which one do you want to taste, sister? I want to taste this one. It's very delicious, Nikki. I didn't expect that you will do it all by yourself. Thank you, sister. Now I'm gonna taste this thing. Delicious. Please subscribe our channel. Please like our video. See you in the next video. Bye.